So we're going to go into Print Manager and we're going to put this file in it. Computer is slow.
Yeah, I have no idea why.
So we're going to go in here to Job. We're going to look in our downloads because that's where we saved it. And it's going to be the only TIFF in here. Open in Job Properties. What's pretty cool about this is it's got what we wanted to print, but let's say we wanted to do some youth shirts. 10 inches is a little too big for a youth shirt. Bring it down to about
Wow.
7 inches, I think. That might be all right. Might be a little big. But we can change the orientation of it if we wanted to. We can add more.
Well, you can gang sheet on this.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, of course you can. Now what's pretty cool is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put some labels in here. So I'm going to tell it that I want it to print the size and the job name on it. I'm also going to put a box around this thing so it helps our customer cut them out more evenly. Wow. I don't know why it's not. Let me make it just a little smaller and see if it brings it next to each other. There you go. So okay. Our space is a little too. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that same file back in. And this one's a different size, right?
Okay.
But what I'm going to do with this is because I need, let's just say I need one adult and I need two of these that two of these youths. So I'm going to hold Control and I'm going to click the first one, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to nest. So what this did, it made a nested file. But what's pretty neat about this is it puts everything in here how that I made.
Wow.
Okay. So we can actually, the only thing we can't do is resize properly. So if we wanted to resize something or we wanted to add something right here, let's just say we want to add something right there. Okay. I'm going to add, let's just say maybe we had some left chest or left crest to do. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to make these super small, or maybe even some toddler stuff,
Do you always use a percentage, or do you?
No, I do, but you can, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to make it fit the screen fine. You can do it however you want to.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just basically giving you some basic stuff, okay, to work with. You can make it your own. It's no problem. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unnest this, and then I'm going to nest all of it together. Didn't do what I wanted to.
I know you wanted it to do.
I wanted it to fill up that spot right there, but it didn't.
Right.
That's why I wouldn't do it. But anyway, you get the idea.
Yep.
There's some
absolutely.
very, very good YouTube videos on SAI's website. I mean, on their YouTube page. But basically, let's see here. We wanted to take this. If we're going to send this to print, all we do is hit send. And we're going to actually save this again to the download, okay, to our downloads. And it's going to save it as a PRT file. And now we send it to the print software.